Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian and I'm here for the first or the intro to the hashtag Crafty Goals collab with Amalia-2020. And I am joined with a lot of amazing ladies for this collaboration this year. It's going to be a year-long collaboration. Pretty much the goal is to be able to set aside a specific goal and keep track of it and give updates on how you're able to accomplish your goals every single month. So today we're showing you guys what our goals are for the entire year, kind of setting expectations and what to expect, and kind of putting it out there when it comes to, yes, I'm going to be accountable for these goals. And this is such an honor for me. This is my first time to have a crafty goal collab, so I'm very, very excited. Thank you, Amalia, for letting me join this amazing group of crafters. So why am I doing this? I listed out certain things. The first step, I put it on here. So I want to be accountable for these goals, taking responsibility and strategizing to be able to, to be able to accomplish them and have fun while you're doing that. Next part is the supportive environment. I want to be able to immerse myself in that very supportive, crafty environment that we have here. So I am super, super excited about that. Getting to know new friends, being able to interact with everybody, and just pretty much be supported and support other people. Next part is being able to challenge myself, especially for number one. I've never had a crafty goal before, so this is going to be a great challenge, trying new things, and experimenting pretty much. Number four is growth as a crafter. So yes, I feel like this will help me grow as a crafter because of number four goal, and I will expound with on that later. And also, on top of all of these accomplishments, like being able to accomplish all the goals, is to be able to share the new techniques and new experiences that I have with you guys, my viewers. So don't forget, the links is in the description down below for the ladies or the friends that are joining this crafty collab. Don't forget, please support them as you have supported me, my channel. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is going to be a lot of setting expectations for what to expect on my channel for 2020. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back, my friend. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my channel. So let's start. So the first one is going to be an amazing experience for us all. It's a no spend month. So for sure, I'm going to do March and September. The March and September is for sure, but for July is going to be dependent on the result of the March no spend. So how am I intending to do that? Obviously, we all have a big stash of crafty supplies, and I plan on accomplishing this by kind of really strategizing and planning my videos in advance, so that I always do haul videos, so that in these months we have specific plans and I'm going to be busy. And I can still have a lot of great content, and even if I don't have haul videos for those months. Number two, and in collaboration with number one goal, I will be continuing my Use Your Scrap Stash series. If you want to join me, please put use your scrap stash series. I have that in my channel where I'm using all of the supplies that I've previously purchased. That will be super, super awesome. Number two, to have 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So right now I'm at 400 something. So I plan to accomplish that by releasing, 3 organizing videos. This is one whole year. This is 12 months. Make product reviews, 3 of that. party planning ideas 3 of that. So you can see I'm going to be using this specific tag all year long. Hopefully I don't lose it. And I plan on tracking it by marking the boxes if I was able to accomplish those. And then for party planning ideas, yes, I'm super excited. That's part of the challenge part. As some of you might know, I also did like a party planning kind of catering business when I was in San Francisco. So it's going back to what I used to do before on top of the crafting and the cakes and the baking and everything. Anyway, so that's going to be that. Number 3 will be being able to consistently release 6 videos every single month. And this has something to do with kind of pre-planning my content and really thinking about and strategizing and kind of really thinking about where I want my channel to be and where I want to be headed and what my goals are, kind of in line with that. And then number 4 is release 3 cake/baking related videos this year. So this is what I was talking to you guys about when it comes to challenging myself, because I know that if I'm gonna do 3 cake/baking/recipe related videos, I'm going to have to show my face. So that's gonna be a challenge for me, kind of talking to the camera with my face, not just my hands, but that's gonna be a challenge. And you know, I'm up for the challenge. It's 2020, start of a new decade. There's nowhere to go but up, guys. Anyways, so I hope that you like this video, and I hope, definitely please, I hope that you support the ladies that are my collaborators down below. You will find their links to their channels. Please support them. We want this to be an amazing, supportive environment for everybody so that everybody can meet and exceed their goals. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye-bye.